Hey everybody, how you doing? My name's Johnny, you're watching Star Custom Woodworking, and this is my official entry into the 2021 Great Guitar Build-Off Scratch Build Challenge. Now it's been a long and winding road, but we finally made it. Here is my entry into the competition. It is a single cutaway mahogany body with a maple pickguard, 2 Dillon P90 pickups with Wenge pickup covers. It's got a maple laminated neck and an ebony fretboard with these cool fret marker inlays. It's got a hip shot bridge, hip shot tuners, volume and a tone control, and a 3-way selector switch. There will be an audio demo directly after the build video. So let's get to it. now it's time for the audio demo. Now my signal chain is pretty simple. My guitar is plugged into a Blues driver and then directly into my Fender Deluxe amp and then recorded on my computer in Reaper through an SM57. All right, so without further ado, let's make some noise, shall we? First we'll start out with the clean tone and go through all the positions. Bridge position. Middle position. Neck position. Now we'll do the same with a little bit of gain. Now we'll do it with a lot of gain. Well, that's about all the time I have for today. If you like this video, why don't you go ahead and subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And if you want to vote for me, you can go on over to greatguitarbuildoff.com and vote for me, Jonathan Starnes of Star Custom Woodworking. To all the other competitors, I wish you the best of luck, and I hope you have a fabulous time building other guitars. All right.